Behind me is the bag of ice machine. We're gonna be firing it up for the season. That includes changing filters, turning the battery on, turning the water on. I'll show you exactly what we're looking at. Let's take a dive. All right, we're at the top. Let's hope you're nimble, because you gotta go in. We made it in. First thing what we're gonna do is we're gonna find the power switch and we're gonna flip it back to on. It's currently off in the middle. We're gonna flip it to the ice position. So here's the actual whole ice maker to my left over here. All the electronics we just saw, we just flipped that power switch on. I bypassed pretty much all the winterization because that feature pretty much is garbage. It's a total waste of money. But in order to do that is I take a little tube here that water passes through and I just crimp it to where the ice maker doesn't allow it to backflow back down through the pipe. So we're gonna crimp this and we're gonna plug it into the bottom of the reservoir. All right, so I got it crimped right here. We're gonna go ahead and plug it in. It's just a little shark bite connection right there. Try to tug it out, and if it doesn't tug out, you're good to go. So let's go put the new filters in and turn the water on and see what we're working with. Now it's time to get down. Oh, no. All right, I got the back of the machine popped open now. We're gonna look at our filters and our housings down here in just a second. First, we got to turn on our little space heater. The company provided the space heater to help kind of protect the pipes for winterization. So all you really have to do is unplug it. Here's what the back of the machine looks like. All the housings here, filter housings, we're going to go in each in these sections here. Here are my filters. We have a pleated filter, we have a carbon filter, and we have a chlorine filter. So I just turned the water on from inside the building, but it was the most important time because we're going to turn the water on back in the back of the ice machine. We're going to see how many pipes burst over the winter. Let's take a look. All right, slowly I'm going to turn this on. Has a lot of pressure, a lot of water pressure. Looking pretty good so far. Got a little bit of a leak down here on that solenoid, so I'll bet this piece here is probably got a crack in it. So this little shark bite's broken as well. I'm going to fix those and we should be good to go for the season. Quite frankly, this is the least of our concerns. It could be way worse, but we're gonna get that fixed and we're gonna fire up the machine. I'm all wet, but I got it all fixed up. Now we're ready to pop the bags in. I got the front of the door open. It looks very complicated. It's not. We're gonna pop this out, put that on the ground, and we're gonna take, this is where the bags are housed, just on these two bolts up here. We're gonna take this out and put some bags on it. In order to do this, we're just gonna extend these both out because the bags are gonna sit on this. And we're gonna take the rubber pieces off. And the bags come like this, straight from the manufacturer. So we're gonna take this off, we're gonna take the cardboard off, and we're gonna slide it right onto these metal pieces here. You actually don't even need this metal piece because it comes with a metal piece already on it from the manufacturer. See, we're gonna lay that down here, and then we're gonna pop the bags right through the holes. I can get it lined up. There we go. And this way, there you go. Make sure it sits nice and flat on the back. Put the rubber piece back on the other side. Flatten them down, and we're almost ready. The only other trick is you gotta take this cardboard piece off the front because this is the side that opens up and catches the ice. Here it is without the ice bags. Here's the bags we had just put on in the car. We're gonna line up the bolts all the way back. Make sure you don't have any bags that are crumpled or wrinkled. And you're now good to sell some ice. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If there's any particular piece of starting the ice machine or fixing the ice machines or changing your filters that you want me to go in more detail about, let me know. I'll see y'all next time. Thanks, see ya.